guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Shan Yvonne, and today I'm going to do a little bit of everything. I'm going to get some disinfecting done due to everything that's going on. I want to make sure everything is nice and sanitized and that it's as germ free as it can be. So I just want to start out by giving my baby a snack. I'm going to set my son up with some preschool work to keep him busy, and then I'm gonna get started.
We'll never regret the things that we'll do, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night.
So today I was kind of dragging my feet. I did not want to get out of bed. The kids got up pretty early and I've just been so tired. And I definitely have cabin fever. I've been in the house for over 4 weeks straight, and it's definitely taking a toll, but I try to get up, get moving, motivate myself, clean the house, just keep myself going so that I don't sit and dwell on it too much. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're safe and happy, healthy, practicing social distancing. Do something fun today that you really enjoy.
'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
So right now I'm just gonna wipe down all the counters with a little all-purpose cleaner with bleach. I normally don't use chemicals in my kitchen just because I don't prefer to, but I'm just trying to disinfect the best way I can right now. So I'm using this cleaner and I'm gonna wipe down all the cabinets, all the baseboards, and just all surfaces that get touched frequently.
Epiphany rising, got it all wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, 'cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh.
For the microwave, I'm just gonna use my vinegar cleaner. It's literally just vinegar and water. I just prefer not to use any bleach in the microwave because we warm our food in here, and trust me, this works so good. It cleans and disinfects.
Throwing a party in my head, yeah.
walls. I'm gonna wipe the doors and the light switches and the doorknobs and just get everything all nice and disinfected and as clean as I can get it, because these are frequently touched surfaces. I actually do this fairly often just because the germaphobe in me likes to keep it clean, but right about now we need to be doing this even more than normal.
You make me feel like everything's alright.
So once again, your girl is sweating like crazy. I'm telling y'all, cleaning the house is such a good workout. Like, I literally feel like I've worked out that day, and it feels amazing. I'm getting in, I'm burning my calories, but I'm also getting the house clean, so you can't beat that.
Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever.
So right now it's the next day. I got a little lazy yesterday and decided to relax after I got done cleaning. So today I'm just going to disinfect my son's bathroom. I'm going to use that same all-purpose cleaner with bleach to wipe down all the knobs and the cabinets, the countertops, the toilet, everything. I'm going to get this bathroom all scrubbed down.
Love is endless if it's only for now. I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on.
So I decided to make these DIY CLOROX wipes. They were really simple and easy to make. I used items I already had at home anyway. It takes Clorox, some water. I threw in a little essential oils to make it smell all good, and there you have it. I'll leave the instructions in the description box if you guys want to check it out.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come.
I'm just gonna start a load of laundry, and I'm just washing these rugs for my son's bathroom and the mop pad I used to mop it with. If you guys enjoy my video, please leave me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. You don't want to miss any of my videos, and leave me a comment down below. I really enjoy talking to you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
I fall asleep at night.